US jury has awarded $42 million, £33 million to 3 former detainees of Iraq's notorious Abu Ghraib prison, holding a Virginia-based defense contractor responsible for contributing to their abuse 2 decades ago. The verdict against CACI Premier Technology comes from the second trial of this case. The first ended in a mistrial in spring, after a jury was unable to reach a decision. The court heard directly from plaintiffs Suhail al-Shamari, Salah al-Ejaili, and Asad al-Zubi, who first filed the case in 2008. They described beatings, sexual abuse, forced nudity, and other cruel treatment at the hands of their jailers. CACI supplied interrogators to the US Army at the prison west of Baghdad. In court, lawyers for the contractor argued that its employees were not directly involved in the abuse, which was carried out by military police. But the jury sided with the plaintiffs and their claims that CACI was still liable because the interrogators they supplied had instructed the military police to soften up the detainees. CACI said in a statement that it had been made a scapegoat. To be clear, no CACI employee has ever been charged criminally, civilly, or administratively in this matter, the company said. The landmark verdict reportedly marks the first time a civilian contractor has been held legally responsible for the degrading treatment of detainees at Abu Ghraib. The jury awarded plaintiffs Mr. al-Shamari, a middle school headmaster, Mr. al-Ejaili, a journalist, and Mr. al-Zubi, a fruit vendor, $3 million each in compensatory damages and $11 million each in punitive damages. "I've waited a long time for this day," Mr. al-Ejaili said in a statement after the verdict. "This victory is a shining light for everyone who has been oppressed, and a strong warning to any company or contractor practicing different forms of torture and abuse." Hundreds of men were arrested and held at Abu Ghraib by US forces after the 2003 invasion of Iraq. In 2004, disturbing images from the prison were leaked, including one showing a soldier pulling a naked inmate on a dog leash. The photographs incited widespread condemnation.